Morning everyone, it's your maths class unit number 3 decimal for class 7 exercise 2b question number 1 round off 2 dp means decimal places. First part 2.008. According to the rules of round off, if we have less than 5, so we skip that number, like 0 1 2 3 4 we have, so we skip or cancel that number. If we have 5 or greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number. Okay, class 7 we apply these rules for round off. Now first part 2.008. So after solution, heading of solution, copy question. So 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number. So after add previous number is 0, so we add 1 in the 0. So answer 2.01 would be the answer of 2dp. Part B 14.2794. 4 is less than 5, so skip that number. After decimal we read single digit. Okay, this 4 less than 5, so skip or cut this number. Now in the second step we copy 14.279. Okay, 9 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number. The previous number is 7, so we add in the next step 14.28. 7 plus 1 8. 14.28 would be the answer of second part. Part C 0.071325. In this part last digit 5, so we add plus 1 in the previous number. The previous number is 2. So in the second step we write like this 0.07133. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, in the next step last digit, last number 3 less than 5, so we skip this number or cancel it, cut it. Okay, 0.0713 we write in the next step. Now this 3 less than 5, so skip this number 3. Now we copy 0.071 in the next step. Now again 1 is less than 5, so cancel this one. After skip 1 we write 0.07. Okay, question is 2dp, so after decimal we have 2 digit. 0.07 would be the answer of part C. Part D 46.464646. Yes, class 7th, it's a kind of recurring decimal. Okay, after solution copy the question. Last digit 6 greater than 5, so we add plus 1 in the previous number. The previous number is 4. Okay, in the next step we write like this 46.46465. Okay, next step greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number plus 1. It means we add 1 in the previous number 6. 6 become 7. 46.4647. Okay, next step. Now last digit 7 greater than 5, we add plus 1. Okay, in the previous number, the previous number 4, so this number 4 become 5. 46.465. 5. Now 5 is, if we have 5 or greater than 5, so we add 1 in previous number. So the last step, 46.47. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7. Add 1 digit in the previous number. The previous number 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 would be the answer of second part D. 2DP. Part E, 5.5 is given. Okay, only after decimal 1 digit is given, but the question is 2DP, 2 decimal places. That's why we put 0. 5.50. Direct answer. Okay, we add 0 in the second place. After decimal, in the second place we put 0. Part F, 17.379432. Okay, the last digit less than 5, so we skip last digit 2, we cut it. Now remaining as it is, copy down, 17.37943. Now in this step, last digit 3, so we skip, we cancel this number 3, remaining as it is, copy down, 17.3794. In this step, last digit 4, 4 less than 5, we skip 4, remaining as it is, copy down, 17.379. Okay, the last digit in this step, 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we add plus 1 in the previous number. The previous number is 7, so we add 1 in the 7. So 17.38. Okay, in the previous number we add 1, so it becomes 7 plus 1, 8. 17.38 would be the answer of part F. Okay, 2DP, after decimal, second place, it's called 2DP. Part G, 0.00927. So the last digit greater than 5, so we add 1 digit 1 in the previous number. Okay, so 7 plus 1. Okay, in previous number is 2, so we add 1, 0.0093. Okay, in this step, last digit 3, so skip 3, remaining as it is, copy down, 0.009. The last digit in this step, 9, greater than 5, so we add 1 in the previous number. Okay, so the last step, 0.01 would be the answer of part G. Next part, H1, 12.12345. The last digit 5, so we add plus 1 in the previous number. The previous number is 4, so it's become 5. 12.1235. Okay, again we add 1 in the previous number, so in the next step it's become 12.124. In this step, 4 is last digit, 4 is less than 5, so skip this number 4. So 12.12 would be the answer of 2DP, 2 decimal place. Part I, 273.112. Okay, the last digit 2, so we skip 2, 273.11 would be the answer of part I. Okay, after 2 decimal places. Now for question part J, 0.009. So in this part, just add 1. 0.099 plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 as it is copy, decimal under decimal, 0. It means 0.10 would be the answer of 2dp. 0.099. First copy the question. Answer 0.10. 0.10. 2 dp after decimal 2 digit. So we 0.099 add 1. So after add 1, 0.100 would be the answer of this part. But question is 2 dp, show 2 decimal places. So after decimal just write down 2 digit 0.10. Finish question number 1, round off 2 decimal places. Exercise 3B.